Diary. Practice herbivores, carnivores and omnivores.
Animals are classified into three types based on their food chain: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Let's see what are they. Herbivores animals that gets its energy from eating plants. They will eat only the plants and grasses. Carnivorous animals eat mostly meat or the flesh of other animals. And the omnivorous animals will eat both plants and animals. They have the wide food preferences. And some examples of herbivorous animals are rabbit, elephant, goat, giraffe. And the examples of carnivorous animals are lion, tiger, snake, eagle. And the example of omnivorous animals are bear, fox, raccoons, dog, and we humans are also called as omnivores. So kiddos, for more interesting videos, subscribe to Kids Doodle Diary.